and girls, we are working in Classkick and we're on question number 5 for today. So let's read through this together and see if we can't make sure that you found the correct answers here. So it says, how can the product of 32 hundredths times 66 hundredths be calculated? Enter your answer in the boxes to correctly complete the statement. So we've got to use what we know about multiplying with decimals. So first step says multiply 32 by 66 to get blank. Well, let's do that. So 32 times 66. And these are our factors up here. We're just ignoring the decimals right now. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12, carry my 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus my 1 is 19. And then I'm going to fill in a 0. Okay, and we're going to start again. 6 times 2 is 12, carry my 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. I'm trying to keep it all lined up. Now I've got to add, so 2 and 0 is 2. 9 and 2 is 9. Oh, no, it's not. Goodness gracious. 9 and 2 is 11. Here my 1. 9, 10, 11. Here my 1. So 2. So 2,112. So I could, and I'm going to just put a little box right here. 2,112. Oops. So when I multiplied, I got 2,000. Is that correct? Yep, 2,112. Then it says to then move the decimal point in the answer blank places to the left. Well, let's see here. I've got to tally up how many places are in each of my factors. So I've got 2 in this factor and 2 in this one. So I need to move my decimal 4 places. All right, so right here, I'm going to put 4 to the left. So let me go back down here. Here's where it is right now. I need to move it 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to need to grab my erasing tool because I got to take away that. Actually, I'm going to take away that decimal. So now my final answer is going to be 0.2112. I could put that up here if I want to, closer. Okay, so check your slide with my slide. If you did not get these answers, did you see where you went wrong? Okay, remember when we put our decimal in our final product, our final answer, we decide how many, we look to see how many decimal positions were in both of our factors together, and then we scoop over in our answer, okay? All right.